Donner DA10 mini guitar amplifier combo. Today I want to unpack this wonderful tool for playing guitars. Let's open the pack. Look. You open the pack and this is what you see. DA10 looks very nice, like a normal and regular amplifier. Beautiful. The paper is wrapped around it. No, it's just the name written. Donner mini amplifier version DA10. It's rechargeable. Looks nice. I like it. This means you can take it with you and your guitar outside. Maybe on a travel you can play with this nice mini amplifier in the wilderness. A little bit metal for Bigfoot and so on, you know. Or for the aliens. Huh? There are two cables with it. This is a USB-C cable. You can see the modern USB-C cable to recharge this amplifier maybe. And of course, maybe you can put it into your PC. So the other cable in the package is this 3.5 millimeter jack cable you have. There are master, bass, middle, treble, gain. Of course, the charging port for this cable, USB-C cable. And you have an headphone plug-in. Yes, number 8. And aux in. You have this 6.35 millimeter jack cable for your regular guitars. You know, the bigger jack cables. The usual jack cable for guitars, 6.35 millimeters. So I will put this mini amplifier here next to my microphone. I switch back to clean. It's a small and nice and useful amplifier for the travel you maybe want to do, or if you live in your car or you're on a vacation all the time, so to speak. It's very space efficient. Yeah, and you can play outside a little bit e-guitars. You heard the clean. I like the clean sound, but the crunch sound is also okay. I think you maybe can put a pedal also pedal between your guitar and this mini amplifier. Yeah, you can aux in. Maybe you can aux in your MP3 player if you know what this is today. If you're like me, a little bit older, MP3 player or your Discman. Oh yes, or your Walkman. Yeah. Now you get it, and you can listen some music with it. Also in the wilderness. Yes, a little bit music for the aliens and for Bigfoot. But I opened the Amazon page, and of course I tried to ship it to the United States. We can see here, but you can see this item cannot be dispatched to your selected delivery location. So I searched for the original price, and on eBay 40 euros to 60 euros. But anyways, it's a mini amplifier, and maybe, of course, you can get other amplifiers, but this Donner amplifier, I think the brand Donner is very nice. It's very solid, and let's see how this will handle outside in the real wilderness of Germany, in my region, in the far future. But anyways, I hope you have a fun time with your mini amplifier and with the brand Donner, and have a nice week. See ya.